Hi, I'm Irene Riddle from BMT and we're here at the Home Buyer Show 2013 at Darling Harbour, Sydney. So today we're basically going to find out more about investing in property, depreciation and what it can do for you. There's new and exciting things happening inside the Home Buyer Expo. Come with me and we'll find out a few further details and what's going to be the new exciting issues that you can learn about in the future.
There's 165 offers. Bring us up! Company's ready to get back to your actual owners of the company. What's the accounting for the young people? To do that. Not chicken, but Hi everybody, it's great to be down at Darling Harbour here again at the Property Expo and just talking to a lot of investors. We deal with investors every day and a lot of it's over the phone, but it's good to just talk to some investors about where they're investing and what they're doing and see the excitement in the current market at the moment with interest rates down and rents being pretty solid.
Hi, I'm Kim. I work with Silverhall Property Investment Company. We use BMT services for our clients, but I've also recently used BMT for my own service, for my own property that I've just recently bought. And I've found that the deductions and the service from BMT, very friendly staff, all very good. Recommend them highly.
Kylie from Property Observer here, just coming to the end of a very busy 3 days at the Home Buyer and Property Investor Show. We've had loads of people buy our stand, and one of our incentives has been our ebook that we're offering as a sign up for our newsletter in partnership with BMT. That's been doing really well and we're looking forward to more opportunities to work together in the future.
Hi, I'm Jim Leone from Destiny Financial Solutions in Sydney. I have no hesitation in recommending BMT to anyone who wants to maximise their on-paper deductions in their tax returns and also give their tax agents very easy to understand Quantity Surveyor reports. So I've been using BMT for years myself, and you'll find that they provide fantastic value for money.
Hello, I'm Lindy from Rocket Property Group in Sydney, and we help investors build successful property portfolios. When they buy a property through Rocket, they get extra help and guidance all the way. But one of the most important things we like to do is make sure they get the best tax benefits for their property, and one of the things that helps is depreciation on a property. So over the years we've found that BMT Tax Depreciation Specialists have really given the best service to our clients, and their depreciation reports, I've bought all my properties have their recommendation, and I find that the claims that I can make through BMT are more than other companies. So if you're looking for the best tax depreciation, I highly recommend BMT Tax Depreciation Specialists.
Australian Property Investor magazine is a magazine for home buyers, investors and property professionals. Basically it has a little bit of everything from inspirational stories to also data that will help home buyers and investors find the perfect property for them, and also it gives a great indication of where the market's at, what's happening out there and where the opportunities are. BMT features every month in Australian Property Investor magazine, so that's great advice to investors on how they can not only get depreciation but also save money on their investment. So if they buy a property the following year, hopefully they can get that depreciation report and use that money to help the negative gearing situation. So in some cases what you might find is that if you buy a property that's negatively geared, but all of a sudden thanks to a depreciation report they might get a few thousand back every year with the depreciation benefits, and all of a sudden a property that was once negatively geared soon becomes positively geared. Even speaking from personal experience, we recently bought a property ourselves and used a BMT depreciation report. This property was 40 years old, so I really wasn't expecting much back, but we can actually claim $7,000 next year and $5,000 the year after, and even $4,000 the following year. We bought that property in March this year, and even already this financial year we can claim $3,000, so I was stoked with that. That's really great result for such an old property, and you wouldn't expect to get such a great result. And also that obviously helps with our tax return. So if it's a positive cash flow property, we can claim $7,000 next financial year. Obviously that counts as a cost, so it saves us on tax, which is what every investor wants out there.
So that's a wrap here from the Sydney Home Buyer Show. We're going to be in the Melbourne Expo in a few weeks, August 23rd, 24th and 25th. Come along, have a chat with everybody from BMT. We'll discuss obviously how we can help you with your depreciation needs. Brad Beer will be speaking on stage over each of the 3 days, and if you have any questions feel free to drop by our stand and we'll be more than happy to help you out with anything you may need depreciation wise. See you then.